What's going on, everybody? It's your boy TK here, back on another video. For the first time ever, I'm gonna do a ride along of a 1968 C3 Corvette. This is such a beautiful car, but stay tuned. Alright, everybody, this is one of my longtime friends. I had him on the channel here before. I already reviewed one of his previous vehicles, the 72 Mach 1 Mustang. But this is my buddy once again, Chris Hayes. This is his 68 Corvette. All right, Chris, tell me the story behind your C3 Corvette. What got you into Corvettes?
A friend of mine bought a C3. I really wasn't that big of a fan. I liked them, but wasn't a big deal to me to own one. And then my friend bought one, and something about riding around in it. I like the way the fender peaks and how you look out over the fenders, and how you sit low, and just see, positioning. I don't know. It's just, so I took a liking to it. So then I shopped around. I ended up getting a good deal on a 74, and drove it for a couple of years until it had an accident and totaled it out. And so I went shopping for another, and found this one in the local Wheels and Deals, and had every intention of cutting the flares off when I bought it and putting it back stock, and then grew to like the flares, and I don't know, just kept it ever since. That's in 2000.
Oh, so you had it over 20 years, so it's been around. But hey, I'm pretty happy you just got what you wanted. This is how you want your car to be set up, and this how it is right now, as you see.
Well, I might get you here. Or you want to go right now? Oh. Okay, I figured we'd do it around noon. I didn't figure we'd be up about. Okay. Why don't I come by there about noon? Yeah. That'd be all right. Yeah.
Hey Chris, I appreciate you giving me a ride your C3 Corvette, man. Such a beautiful car.
Thank you.
Put smiles on your faces. Absolutely. Oh yeah. That would be ideal in the winter if you was driving in the winter like that. But I know you probably driving seasonal when it's nice out. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette, 3rd generation C3. Such a beautiful car. Well, as y'all can see, that was an experience. Those sounds from this 502 cubic inch block V8, just hearing it like roar to life in the idle. Oh my goodness, it's unmistakable. But hey, Chris, I appreciate you giving me a ride on your C3 Corvette. I greatly appreciate that. It was reminiscent to, I remember years ago, you 7 years ago, you gave me a ride in your car back then, and I won't forget my first time being in that car. But all right, everybody, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Terror.